What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here, and I'm finally gonna give y'all a walk around of my 2009 Honda CBR600rr. Drop the beat. What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here with the beautiful Lucinda. I'm gonna finally give y'all a walk around. Again, this is my 2009 Honda CBR600rr. And the first thing that comes to mind is that I got the only one in the world that looks like this. Why? Because I vinyl wrapped it. I got a link to those videos, man. It took me forever. But the colors I went with was a gloss metallic red with a satin gold flake white. Now you can tell I didn't do that good of a job, but that's neither here nor there. All right, let's start at the front of the bike. Up first, I guess I could talk about these cheap mirrors I got from eBay. I say they're cheap because those LEDs are not that bright, but they're better than those flush mounts that came with it. Whoever had the bike before me, they're the ones who installed these flush mounts. As a matter of fact, this one ain't even on. Probably went dead on me. But I got these from eBay. I think they're only about $35. But I mean, I guess they do look better than the stock mirrors. Here's what they look like from the back. And here's the indicator from the front. Also up front, we got the zero gravity windscreen. You can't tell it's zero gravity because I snatched those badges off. Because you know I like representing myself and I don't mind representing Honda. But you can tell it's zero gravity because it's good quality. You can see through it. The plastic ain't all cheap. It's not all warped like the cheaper ones are. But again, the previous owner put that on there. I gotta give credit to them. Let's see, also we got my favorite modification has gotta be the gear indicator. I got this for like $50 off of Amazon. Extremely easy to install and extremely convenient to have because you know I hate reaching for 7th gear. But as y'all can tell, your boy is cheap. We got this nice little sock. All I did was cut a sock and hem the edge to get this nice little brake reservoir cover. Need to do another one because that black is starting to fade. Also, we got the phone mount. And like I said, you know, we like representing ourselves, so we threw our own logo on there. This phone mount is okay. I rarely use it. I only use it if I'm going on a road trip and I need my phone for some GPS. But I have heard that people's phones have been blown off of these, so I rarely use it. I also have this 12-volt female adapter here, which is great for phone chargers. I can plug my phone charger up in here, and I use a dual port one so I can charge my phone and my GoPro at the same time. Moving on, we got the Orangey frame sliders. I also did a video of installing these if y'all want to check that out. These are cut frame sliders, meaning you have to cut the fairings to get to where the engine bolt goes through the frame. Pretty easy to install, but even though my video doesn't make it look that way, I did struggle a little bit, but it's relatively easy. Also over here, we got the gremlin bell. If y'all are superstitious, y'all need y'all one of these, but y'all gotta read up on the superstition, man. You can't buy these yourself. You gotta have somebody buy one for you, but you can't ask for it either. So it's tricky to get them. Luckily, my wife knew about the superstition, so she bought it for me. Now, I'm not sure if these are really popular within sports bikes, but I think they're more popular with cruisers. And technically, I should have it mounted lower, but oh well. Moving on to these rear sets. The previous owner, I'm guessing, painted these because you can see the paint is starting to fail. But I guess it looks better than the stock silver that comes with it. They also painted these and the passenger peg holders or whatever. What's interesting is they left the peg silver, but on the other side, they painted them black, and that black is starting to fail as well. They did tell me the bike went down, so I'm guessing some of the parts were replaced and then they painted them. Or, yeah, when they replaced the parts, maybe they didn't finish painting everything. We also got the Yoshimura RS5 exhaust with the carbon fiber tip. This is just the slip-on, it's not the full exhaust system. But yeah, that thing looked good. It's got the mid pipe. That's that nice polished stainless steel. Let's get a startup. Oh, hold on, let me put it in neutral. Don't want to cause too much ruckus out here. Let's see, what else do we got? Of course, we got the swing arm spool, so I could use this nice little pit bull stand. Pit bull, And I think that's about it. Oh, I also, the stock fender has these guards to cover up most of the exhaust. Had to take those off so we could show the Yoshimura. And I also had to put on these TST Industries turn signals, which are much brighter than those flush mounts. So I don't think the flush mounts are TST. These are much better quality. But again, the previous owner put those flush mounts on, and I put these on. Let's see, I think that's about everything. Again, this is my 2009 Honda CBR600rr. I'm Master Yoshi, thanks for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.